Today first match Boston and cricket school. Aziz, Mustafa, Ayan, Vijay ka. Mas, Arunod, Mohinanda.
God bless you. Huh? Very well. Huh? Right.
मानो उधर पीछे से लियो
Yeah. Boston versus Christian Club Cricket School. Okay, both the teams, all the best, play well. Winning, losing, that is different, no need. Okay, no need of any tension, please. Winning, losing, that is God will you decide, and your effort will be there. Okay, play well. What referees they said that is final. You have to obey for that. You have to give respect for that. It is clear. Give respect for everybody, not only small, not only high, anyone. Then only you will go for forward. If you people are not given respect for anybody, if you get any, you have any ego feelings, you can't help it. Especially sports, no feelings, no ego feelings, all are equal. Whether best player, whether that is secondary. According to my knowledge, all are equal for me. Whether boys, girls, all are equal for me. It is clear? Understood? Yes, sir. All the best. Play well. Enjoy here. How was the ground and everything? Cricket club, cricket school. How was the school? First time you are coming? Many times. Great. Play well. Huh? Even Boston. All the
Yes,
best.
sir.
Huh? Play well, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, captain. Who's call? Teams. Batting.
Toss won by Boston. December 4. All the best. God bless you. Huh?
Thank you.